Hey guys, my name is Gualter Amarelo. Gualter Amarelo here again.
Hey guys, this is Gualter Amarelo. I run a real estate team in the great city of Fall River. Hey guys, Gualter Amarelo, your real estate mentor.
You can have a business like he has, right? Real estate has given him that luxury that if he wants to go to Las Vegas for 3 months, he can.
Touch your hand, man. It's all good. We like you guys. And the reason I'm in Vegas is because it's nice and warm out there. Right here, it's absolutely amazing. And the culture's amazing. So many amazing people here. So, how did I retire at 30? I will answer that question for you. I will let you know. And is it possible for everybody? Absolutely. I genuinely believe that anybody, the entire world, there's enough money out there for us all to retire at whatever age you want. If you're after 30, we're gonna have to do 5-10 years. Cheers, brother.
When I say always work with the best, what I mean is that I will always bring my best game to the game. And my agents will always bring their best game to the game. What do you want to say?
I would like to say Gualter is the best.
You cannot do it alone. You must have a team in place when you're doing a flip. You want to make sure that you do not deviate from the 70% rule. In another video, I'll explain what it is, but you gotta stick to the numbers and know them, right? So one thing is ARV, after repair value. Get yourself a good solid mentor. When I first started, I had people who grabbed me by the hand and said, look, this is the right type of building for you right now. And it could be a real estate agent, it could be just somebody who's in the industry already doing what you're doing. Hey guys, thank you for watching that video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and when you have a choice, always work with the best.